Hi and welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about easy online jobs for beginners to make money online. But first, let's define what we mean by online jobs. These are jobs that don't require a lot of experience or specialized skills and can often be done on a flexible schedule. They're a great way for beginners to get started making money online. So what are some of the examples of online jobs which you can do to make money online? The first one is data entry. Data entry jobs involves entering data into a computer system or a database. These jobs are often simple and they don't require any special skills. Data entry jobs can be found on freelancing websites, job boards, and through companies that specialize in providing these services. Payment for data jobs can vary, but many pay on per entry basis with possibility of earning bonuses for fast and accurate work. Some of the websites where you can get these jobs includes megatapers.com, Upwork, Fiverr, Scribby.com. Just go there, explore, you may be lucky, and there's a lot of success in those who are doing data entry jobs. Number two is taking surveys. You can make money by taking surveys online. Many survey websites pay users for their opinion on product and services. Survey websites typically pay in cash or rewards, such as gift cards, or they can even give you samples to use. The amount of money you can make from taking surveys will depend on the length and complexity of the surveys, such as the number of surveys you are able to complete. I know some of them can be very long and tiring, but there are people who are making a living out of surveys. There are several websites where you can get some of these jobs. There is swagbucks.com, you can get them from there. There is mobrock.com. You can also get some in Inbox Dollars, Survey Junkies. You can get some of them from those particular websites if you are interested in surveys. It requires a bit of patience. Number three is transcription. If you have a good typing skills and strong attention to details, you may be able to work as a transcriptionist, transcribing audios and video recording into written documents. Transcription jobs can be found on freelancing websites and through companies that specialize in providing the transcription services. Many pay by word, line, or page. There are several websites where you can get some of these jobs. There is spreadpad.com. You can also check out gotranscript.com, there's rev.com, there is transcriptme.com. Those websites will offer you some of those transcription jobs. And by the way, they're normally very good jobs with very good pay. The fourth one is virtual assistant. This one people are nowadays doing. And as a virtual assistant, you can help with a variety of tasks, such as scheduling appointments, answering emails, managing social media accounts for businesses. Virtual assisting jobs can be found on freelance websites and through companies, and most of the payments are per hour or per project. Websites like Time etc, you can find some of those jobs, and also there is mytasker.com. If you check those websites, you can be lucky, you'll get these jobs. I know so many people who are doing these jobs full time and are doing well. The fifth online job you can do is freelance writing. Another very well paying job. If you have a talent for writing, personally I don't have talents in writing, but if you have a talent for writing, you can earn money by writing articles, blog posts, and other content for websites and businesses. Freelance writing jobs can be found on freelance websites, and most of them normally pay. Their payments can vary, but many pay by word or articles. You can go to websites like contently.com, you'll get some of the jobs there. You can go to textbooker, TRANSCRIPTION.com. They have several jobs there. You can go for takeaway. You can even be a guest writer to some of the blogs, and if your articles are interesting, you'll be noticed and they'll start paying you. The sixth one, which is now common, is to tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can earn money by offering tutoring services online. There are many websites and platforms that allows you to connect with students in tutoring. Pay for these jobs normally vary, but mostly per hour. And you can get some of these jobs like if you go to udemy.com, brainfuse.com, tutor.com, you'll get those jobs. Like, for example, if you are a fitness trainer, you can offer those experience by training people. If you are good at languages, so many people would want to learn the native language. For example, English, French, so many people would want to learn those languages. So you can go to these websites and you'll be able to do it. And lastly is selling product. You can also make money by selling products online through platforms like Etsy, eBay, Amazon. I mean, this is normally the best, but it takes a bit of patience. This platform makes it easy to set up your online store, and you can sell a variety of products, including handmade items. You can go further and Google some of these options available. And it is important to note that while these easy online jobs may not require a lot of experience or specialized skills, they still require hard work and dedication in order to be successful. But if you are willing to put in that effort, these jobs can be a great way to make money online as a beginner. And that's it for today, for today's video. And we hope you found this information useful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics, let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Until next time.